Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. Today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Gamenote RGB mousepad by Havit. You can get this on Amazon for about $24. I'll throw a link in the description. This has anti-slip grip and some different features on the RGB lighting, and it is the large variant. It comes with a user manual, a happy not happy card, and a braided micro USB cable. This is what the mousepad looks like. It covers a pretty big distance. You can fit both your mouse and keyboard on there. So just plug it in. Simple. You can do it to your laptop, computer, PC, and the back of it. Anything that supports a USB port and power. So here's the anti-slip grip. It doesn't move around at all whatsoever, and I'm tugging on it pretty good. So that's really good that it won't be going anywhere. And you have several different modes that you can choose from just on the side of the RGB mouse pad. You click it and you change the modes, and I do say it looks really nice. It is very flexible, the whole mouse pad. It looks like at nighttime. It looks really good. It gives a nice aura effect to your setup. And if you already have RGB equipment such as a headset and mouse and keyboard, and you just want to throw this in and make your setup a little bit better, I definitely recommend it. It's better than just a little mouse pad that you put onto the side. It supports your whole desk. You could put your phone on the left side. It'll be #1 protected from the hard table, and it won't get scratched, and it just looks really nice overall. If it had wireless charging, it would be even better, because you can just put your phone to the left and then it'll be charging automatically, which I think would be cool. You can pick several colors from the RGB color wheel, including white and some chasing modes, where the RGBs just chase each other around the whole mouse pad. Looks pretty cool. And it also has precision, so you're going to be sliding around with the mouse while gaming. It'll be really easy and it'll be very accurate. It'll help you out a lot, and it'll just improve your gaming experience by probably the slightest, but it will be very noticeable, especially during FPS games. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe.